Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about the chapter Basic Concepts in Geometry of Class 9. This is the part 2 of this chapter. We have already seen the introduction in the part 1 of this chapter. You can check the video from the description or the I button. In this video, we will see about coordinate of a point and distance. First, we will understand the number line. Okay, so in this number line, 0 is at the center and this side is the right side, okay, and this side is the left side, and 0 is at the center. In right side we have all the positive numbers and in the left side we have all the negative numbers. Okay, now see, from left to right if you go, each number will increase by 1. Okay, see, from 1 to 2 if you go, now 2 is greater than 1 by 1. Okay, now 2, from 2, 3 is greater than 2 by 1. Okay, from 3 to 4, like that if we will go on, as you go to the right side, the number will keep on increasing by 1. Here, 1 is less than 2. Okay, 1 is also less than 3. And here, if you see negative numbers, all negative numbers are less than positive numbers. Okay, see, minus 1 is less than 1. Minus 1 is less than 2. Okay, minus 4 is less than 1. Okay, and also minus 3 is less than 0. Okay, so all negative numbers will be less than the positive numbers and 0. Okay, negative numbers are also less than 0. Minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, now in negative numbers if you see, minus 2 is less than minus 1. Okay, in negative numbers also if we go from left to right, the number will go on increasing by 1. Okay, here minus 4 is less than minus 3. Minus 4 is less than minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 से छोटा है. Okay, and minus 3 is less than minus 2. Okay, you see the symbol on the screen, and minus 2 is less than minus 1. Minus 1 is the greatest negative number. Remember this. Next we will see coordinate of a point. Now see this number line and see the points. Each point is denoting some number. Okay, see the point A, B, C, O, D, E. So each point is denoting some number. So that number is called as the coordinate of the point. Okay, that number is called as the coordinate of that point. See, coordinate of point A is denoting which number? Minus 4. So coordinate of point A is, now coordinate of point B. B is denoting which number? Minus 3. Coordinate of point B is minus 3. Now coordinate of point C. Now C is denoting which number? Minus 2. So coordinate of point C is, coordinate of point D. D is denoting which number? D is denoting number 1. So coordinate of point D is 1. Coordinate of point E, 3, right? The coordinate of point E is 3. So this is how we find coordinate of a point from number line. Now we will see how to find distance between any two points by using their coordinates. Okay, find distance DE. The distance between any two points is denoted by, we denote it like this. See, distance between D and E, distance DE. So D for distance, small letter D we put, and inside the round bracket we put the points D, distance between two points. Okay, D and E. We put comma in between in distance. Okay, so we put comma in between. Find the distance between these two points D and E. See, in number line, this distance, that is 1 distance is 1 unit. Okay, so from 0 to D the distance is 1 unit, from D to next it is 1. So from D to E we can see from the number line clearly it is how many, 1 2 units. Okay, the distance is 2 units from the number line we can see. Now how you will find this distance? By using the coordinate. See, first we will write the coordinates of both the points. Okay, coordinate of point D. What is the coordinate of point D? What is the coordinate of point D? 1. Coordinate of point E is, what is the coordinate of point E? 3. Now to find the distance, what we will do? We will subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater coordinate. Here which is smaller? 1 is smaller or 3 is smaller? 1 is smaller, right? 3 is bigger. So from 3 we will subtract this smaller coordinate, that is 1. So equal to, so distance D is equal to 3 minus 1. Okay, the bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate, equal to how much? 2. See, from the number line also we can see distance between D and E is how much? 1 and 2. Okay, therefore distance DE is equal to 2. Okay, now see, the distance DE will be equal to distance ED, right? See, DE is equal to ED. It is the same. Okay, if we interchange the points, then also the distance will remain the same. So what is the answer? 2. Okay, distance DE and this equal to distance ED equal to 2. Okay, if we interchange the points, then also the distance will remain the same. See this symbol L, small l, and inside we put DE. See, is that means length of segment DE. The segment DE, length of segment DE, that is this much part. See, while denoting the length of a segment, we should not put comma. Okay, length, while denoting the length of a segment, we will not put comma. But for denoting distance, we will put comma in between. Okay, for denoting the length of a segment, there will be no comma in between. But for denoting the distance, we put comma. So length of segment means how much? Here you can see the length is equal to the distance only. Okay, length of segment DE is equal to distance between points D and E. That is, what is that? 2. Okay, now we will solve some more problems on this distance. See, find distance PC. Okay, from the number line. Now coordinate of P is how much? Now coordinate of P is how much? Minus 4. Now coordinate of C is 3. Now which is the bigger number here? 3 is the bigger number, right? To find distance PC, what we will do is subtract the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? Minus 4. That we will subtract from 3. So what we will get? 3 is the bigger number, minus 4. We are subtracting the smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. So how we will do this? For solving such calculations, I have already put a video, the link of which is given in the description and the I button. You can check it out. Equal to 3. The change we will change the sign to plus. And what is the opposite of the minus 4? 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So distance PC is equal to 7. See, from the number line also you can see. So the distance between P and C is how much? 7. So therefore distance PC equal to 7. Okay. Find distance JH. The coordinate of point J is minus 2. Coordinate of point H is minus 1. From minus 2 and minus 1, which number is bigger number? Minus 1 is bigger, right? See, in negative numbers, the minus 1 is the bigger than minus 2. So what we will do, we will subtract this minus 2 from minus 1. So we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, equal to minus 1, we will keep it as it is. This we will put plus. And what is the opposite of minus 2? 2. What will be the answer of this? Minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. So the distance is 1. Therefore distance JH equal to And see students, always the distance is a positive number. The distance between any 2 points is always a positive number. Remember this, the distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. This we have seen just now with examples. See the second point, the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. This means the distance between two different points will be always a positive number. Okay, the distance is always a positive number. See the third point, if two points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. This means if two points are not different, that means the 2 points have same coordinate, then the distance between them is 0. So here we end this video. We will continue this chapter in the next video. If you have any doubt about this topic, please write it in the comments. If this video was useful to you, then please like and share it. Thank you for watching.